Good morning. Welcome to Pure South Pastures. What a pleasure it is to be able to say we got rain yesterday. Man, it had been so dry. We got about a half inch, but they're calling for more tomorrow, maybe around an inch tomorrow. We might have got a little more than half an inch yesterday, but it just rejuvenated, revived everything. Maybe we'll get a little bit of green come on this fall, a little bit of fall growth, and it just, I don't know, a rain just does so much. But look at the sunrise this morning behind me. Man, it is a beautiful morning to be grazing animals. So anyway, just want to welcome you along this morning. We're going to check out the sheep. We've been treating some feet. You know, they came to us with foot issues, so we've been treating that. And yeah, thanks for being with me today. Let's do a little video with sheep, and I'll show you what we did with the pigs yesterday. Well, there's something just so peaceful about watching these animals graze. Look at her take that whole stalk of grass in. That's awesome. I really like that ewe right there. She's white. So my plan is, I think, is to get a guard dog and to either put these with the cattle and just move them with the cows every day. They are broke to one strand of hot wire. Or, I don't know. I just don't know how that's going to work out with a dog. But I would like to keep them moving. It's going to be better for their feet and parasites the more they move. And so I'd like to consistently be moving them. There is a school of thought that the parasites that affect sheep don't affect cattle, and the parasites that affect cattle don't affect sheep. So each of them are in hosts. When they consume those parasites, they don't do anything to them. So really, there's the idea that they're vacuuming up the parasites of the other animals. So leader-follower really works best for that. So you have cattle go in first and graze, and you bring in the sheep and let them browse with the cattle left. But for our lifestyle, the time that we have, it may be best for us to just put them together and rotate them, especially in the wintertime. We'll see what spring holds. But he's a good boy. They're a little more skittish of me because we had them up in the corral chasing them around yesterday trying to get the feed issues taken care of. But hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, pretty girl. She's camera shy. This is the one on the left there is the one that we treated yesterday. And that's our mama. She's got an issue too. Pretty awesome. Love it, y'all. Love it. One of the issues we're going to have to contend with, and hopefully it won't be a big deal. I know that they're calling for a bad winter, but we're going to have some lambs. That ewe right there in the left in front of that black cow she's going to be lambing. And so we're heading into winter and going to have young lambs, or maybe even have lambs in the winter. That's not a recipe for success. That could be a problem. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Maybe it'll still be warm. Arkansas, you never know what the weather's going to be like, so we'll see how that plays out. Pig, pig. Look here. Pig, pig. So one of the things we did yesterday was take the little pigs, the little brown pigs that we have, and we took them off their mom. Mom was contained, but we're having trouble still containing the little pigs. If you've ever had piglets, you understand what I mean. They kind of get through anything, and they had been running all over the farm, been free range picking. And that's really cool. I like that, but I just knew it was a matter of time before they take off or before they get hit or something like that. So they were just needing to be contained. So that's one of the things that we did yesterday. We got them off their mom. We put them in here with our whites, with our old spots, and they've done really good together so far. They haven't, I mean, all animals are gonna have pecking order, and they're gonna do their you know, establishing dominance thing, but they've done really well. I'm gonna have to worm all these pigs, so that'll be coming up. And it was good to get them off their mom. Their mom needed a break, so they're actually too old. I should have weaned them a couple weeks ago. Took a couple of them over to a buddy of mine, actually 3 of them. Took 2 browns and a white, and so he's gonna be raising them out. So this is what we're gonna raise for meat for next year. They'll be ready in the spring. Really, I love the old spots. The brown pigs are growing out great too. They're a Duroc Hereford cross, and really couldn't be happier with them. So that was good. I felt good to get that done yesterday. We're here with the cows this morning. We're on our lease farm. We haven't been over here for a while. See the calves way over there. They found something they like over there, I guess. Man, it's been so dry, and getting a little concerned about grass and how dry things are. And yesterday we got a little shot that sure is gonna help. So the cows have been eating, and they've been on some pretty rough forage. This stuff isn't too bad. There's a lot of broom sedge in here, and as you can see, a lot of goat weed, woolly croton. But they're also finding a lot to eat in here. This paddock goes, you can see a car passing out there right now. So this paddock goes all the way to the road. And they're gonna be in here till tomorrow. What do you think, girl? What do you think? What do you think about it, huh? Okay. This is the cow that I was gonna butcher. Really just cull for hamburger. And she ended up being, I took her to the vet. They palpated her and she ended up she's pregnant. I thought she was open. She hadn't had a calf this year. So, glad I did that. Here come some of our half South Pole calves. Hi, girls. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? She is something else. She does this every time I come out. She don't really care for rubbing too much. She don't like it. She sure does want to lick my hand every time I come out here. And look at her. Golly. She is a good looking little heifer. I haven't seen the bull. Oh yeah, there he is, maybe. Look at her, man. She's going to town on me. Take the plug out of me, I think. She's trying to bite me. This other one's never been sure of me. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Yeah, there's a big boy. There's a cow across the road by herself, and I heard him down here at the fence yesterday hollering at her. Hey, big boy. Hi, big buddy. What do you say, man? Get them flies off of you. Let's get them flies off of you. There we go. Oh, that feels good, don't it? Yes, sir. So this is it's a neat little piece of property. I'm standing on top of a hill. On video it doesn't probably come across very good, but this is a bowl. There's a little ridge that goes up to that barn over there. And got a nice little bowl in here. And then it, on the other side of this fence it goes up, so it just drops off right down in here. It's a really cool place. So I'm gonna make my way over here to these calves and see what they're eating on, what they're doing. Hey, pretty. Hey, pretty. Hey, girl. Man, he's gonna make somebody a nice bull. Look at him, he's just like his daddy. Hey, boy. Hey, Bubba. Tested, already tested him. Tested good. He's young. He's gonna be a toad like his daddy. Hey, boy. What are y'all doing over here by yourselves? All by yourselves, huh? What are y'all doing over here? I think they're eating this stuff right here. I would think, in my mind, that would be the least desirable, but my cows go after it like crazy and it's everywhere. Must have some high nutrient content. Y'all, that's gonna do it for me today. Just took care of the animals this morning and we're gonna do some family stuff today. So I'm so glad you joined me. As always, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Share this content with anybody that it might bless, and we'll see you on the next one.